Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020 to the $102 level. To reach to this level, it must first break through the 50% Fibonacci retracement at $92, and then close above $100. If buyers can push SOL prices to $102, the coin will have broken through a key resistance level, and will be poised for a powerful comeback. If prices continue to rise, the token will reach $111, but if no significant market support emerges, the token will be unable to move any further. Since Ukraine indicated that it was no longer interested in joining NATO, the Bitcoin market has turned positive. Due to expectations that the war between Russia and Ukraine may finish, the positive streaks, dApps, and NFTs hosted on the network. The expectation of OpenSea's integration of the Solana network also excited investors. This means Solana will join Ethereum, Polygon and Clayton as the payment options visible in the drop-down All Chains tab on OpenSea's rankings page. Solana's strategy to focus on NFT markets seems to have paid off because the Layer 1 blockchain network has risen to third place in all-time total NFT sales on April 6. Moreover, the latest 30-day accumulated data shows Solana amassing $216 million worth of NFT sales. Solana's dApp deposits are on the decline. Solana's primary decentralized application, dApp, metrics started to display weakness in late March after the network's total value locked, TVL, dropped below 50 million SOL. The chart above shows how Solana's dApp deposits saw a 30% decrease in 3 weeks as the indicator reached its lowest level since September 20, 2021. As a compare continues to gain steam, given that it attracted investments worth $1.1 billion in January, according to a recent Blockchain Game Alliance and DappRadar report. Virtual worlds, decentralized applications, dApps, and play-to-earn platforms attracted the lion's share of these investments. Additionally, the gaming transparency rendered by blockchain technology is also making them tick. Meanwhile, two-time Indonesian Football League champion Persib Bandung partnered with blockchain gaming platform Liberty Gaming Guild, LGG, to offer its fans an ecosystem to learn and thrive in the new gaming era. And second news about Solana, Luna taking on Bitcoin and Ethereum in volumes. As Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH revel in distant dreams of their long-lost highs and struggle to break past their old resistance levels, is it possible that wary investors are looking towards more energetic alts instead? Here's what the data said. The start of an alt spring. Sentiment revealed that, while Bitcoin and Ethereum volumes were sliding, those capitalizing on the loss included Terra Luna and Solana. In fact, a closer comparison reveals just how drastic this reversal in fortunes has been. Towards the beginning of 2022, Bitcoin and Ethereum dominated the market in terms of volume, while Solana and Luna registered smaller spikes. Fast forward 3 months, however, and we can clearly see that Luna's continued resistance above $100 at $110, bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, Senkou Span A, the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $112, and a 100% Fibonacci expansion at $116, are adding to the bull's displeasure. This indicates that even ADA currently has an inflation rate of around 5.7% per year. The inflation rate of ADA will slowly reduce to 0% when all 45 billion ADA tokens are issued. Similarly, SOL issuance began at an inflation rate of 8% per year, but is set to decrease every year until it settles at 1.5% per year. The market pundit points out that being inflationary, SOL and ADA are unsustainable, unlike Luna. This is because they punish non-stakers by diluting the worth of their holdings. Was Luna's ascendance foretold? The climb Luna has seen is coming after the blockchain has been growing in popularity. Sentiment previously pointed out that the social media mentions of Terra has been on the rise. The social sentiment tracker said it expected to see at least a 20% to 30% increase in the price of Luna. However, Terraform Labs, the developers behind the blockchain, has been dealing with scrutiny from the SEC. Last week, U.S. federal judge ruled that Do Kwon, the CEO of Terraform Labs, should respond to the SEC subpoena filed in November. Luna continues to surge even as the market is watching for the outcome of the case. On the day, Luna is trading at around $93, up 6.77%. Platforms. There is solid network use on DeFi and NFT marketplaces, as measured by Magic Eden's 212,230 active addresses in the last 30 days. The data above suggests that Solana investors should not worry about the most recent correction. The Solana ecosystem is fueled by the delivery of important milestones toward Ethereum compatibility and NFT market integrations. As long as this happens, the potential for further price appreciation seems likely. Sol price continues to trade lower after a massive fall in the last session. Further, the price is expected to continue south following the big red candlestick. However, the formation of a doji suggests a tug-of-war between bulls and bears. On the daily chart, the Sol price is struggling below the 0.50% Fibonacci retracement, which is extending from the lows of $77.74. A day before that, the price sliced the critical 200-day EMA exponential moving average, signaling problem for the Sol buyers. $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. Sol price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, Sol is expected